All right, guys, as promised, we're going to go ahead and get on the tow hook install. Now, you might be asking, why are you doing this? You already got tow hooks? But I'll tell you why. It's because these look cool and much better than these puny things that they have on here. Once they updated the front bumper up here on the Tremors and Raptors and went to that modular bumper, they changed the style of the tow hook. And man, once they did that, it totally changed how I feel about that tow hook. It's the same bolt pattern, so you know it's a real quick, easy drop and install. And all you got to do is maybe do a little trimming on the rubber molding there. A lot of people just get lazy; they don't even put it in there because this fills up that hole so nicely. But I'm going to go ahead and attempt to trim it and see if I can make it look right. It doesn't increase any capability to the truck that I'm aware of, but it just looks much better. It's forged steel, it's forged tough. And let's go ahead and get this installed. It's a 13 mil on the skid plate and then 15 for the hooks here. All right, to go ahead and get this skid plate off, all you got to do is take a 13 mil, bust the two that are here on under the tow hook, and one under here underneath the control arm, and the same on the other side. 13 mil, and you should be able to get those out of there. Come here. All right, now what we're gonna do is just loosen these back ones just a little bit. Come here. Drop another one. All right, come here. And then just drop it. Okay, now what we want to do is take that 15 and we're going to do the 2 bolts that hold this on there. But first we're going to take this off, and all you got to do is push that. There's 2 little side tabs here on the back side of the grommet, and we're just going to feed that through, pull down a little bit, and then get this out of here. Pretty easy. And there's all we need for that. Okay, now when we're going to go ahead and undo the tow hook here, you can take this one off completely, and you see this one is keyed here, right? And so all we're going to do is loosen that one just a little bit, so that way this can slide back and then out. And then all we're going to do is loosen this one. Slide it back. Again, take this one out, only loosen that one to get the new ones in. If you take them both out, you're going to lose it, and then you won't ever get it back in there, or you'll have to take the whole bumper off there, and you don't want to do that. Okay, so we see the way it is here, and you have that clip. And so basically, I think what I'm going to end up having to do is trim this outline here, right along this, and keep that out. So I'm just getting rid of this part, and again, the box. Go ahead and cut this right there, right down the side, and right up the top. Get that out of here. I think that will probably work. We'll know once we get it in there. Let's go do a test fit. Go ahead and put some anti-seize back on these bolts. And we'll go ahead and torque this down on the front. Cool. Okay, now we can go ahead and try to get this plugged in. I do have a pry tool to help. I imagine we'll have to tuck those in a little bit and then pull it on there. Almost. Okay. Now I just need to pry up that front there. I don't know if you can see that a little bit better, but I was able to get that in there, and I got a little bit more to go there for that pry tool and just get that pushed up underneath, and I think we'll be good. Cool. I think we're just about there. This one is going on a little more difficult, but I think we're good. Well, all right, guys, that wraps up another quick install. Sadie's about done waiting for me to get this one done. It really took like 30 minutes. 4 bolts, zap them in, and get rid of these. I really don't know what Ford was thinking with these compared to those. I'm glad that someone got their head on straight over there at Ford Company. If you like what you saw, click the like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. I got more coming. Stay tuned. Thanks, guys. Come on, Sadie. Let's go, girl.